Welcome to Theme Park HD, where we bring you the latest and greatest from the theme parks, special events, experiences, and even some sports. Today, Theme Park HD is taking you aboard Puss in Boots Swings Over Del Mar here at the Universal Kids Resort in Frisco, Texas. This kid and adult-friendly swing ride lifts you above the colorful village of Del Mar with Puss in Boots, Perrito, and Mama Luna. This may be one of the most themed lands in the park. Now, stay tuned after the ride point of view for our bonus drone build-out coverage that we covered during the construction of this park. Now, let's ride. As we continue to swing away, make sure to tune in at the end of this video for some bonus coverage on the drone point of view that we covered during the build out of this theme park. So, this was the new Swings Over Del Mar in the Puss in Boots land here at the Universal Kids Resort in Frisco, Texas. While this isn't a major thrill ride, it does give our younger guests a fun flying feeling above one of the park's most colorful lands, and adults too. Because, if you remember, this is a park for ages primarily 3 to 8, so we have to get our thrills in as adults. The positives here: there's bright Puss in Boots theming, open air movement, and these elevated views are pretty cool. The downside is that if you're sensitive to swinging or spinning, you may want to watch from the sidelines. So, what do you think? Would you and your family ride the Swings Over Del Mar? Let us know below. Subscribe to our continued channel and coverage here at Theme Park HD, and let's go.